Discover Cannobio, crystal clear waters, stunning mountains, and a charming cool town. Welcome to Tripilare. Like and subscribe. Okay, good. Let's go.
Cannobio is on the shores of Lake Maggiore in northern Italy, and it's the last town before Switzerland. The beach of Cannobio on Lake Maggiore in the summer is a beautiful, wide beach with crystal clear waters where you cannot help but swim, or at least put your feet in the water. In addition to offering the possibility of practicing various water sports in the waters of Lake Maggiore, Cannobio Beach also enjoys a beautiful panorama because it is surrounded by mountains. Furthermore, in recent summers, an inflatable playground has also been positioned on the waters of Lake Maggiore. Fun is guaranteed. Stroll along Cannobio's charming lakeside promenade, where you'll find a delightful array of shops, bars, and restaurants. The heart of the town is its main square, which overlooks the lake. Here, you'll find a variety of bars and restaurants. When you stroll along the lakeside promenade in Cannobio, you'll be treated to stunning views of Lake Maggiore and the surrounding mountains. One of the best ways to appreciate the lake's beauty is to arrive by boat. However, a leisurely walk along Cannobio's lakeside promenade is equally enjoyable.
And you? Have you ever been to Cannobio? Share your experience in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!